Hello students, how are you?
We are fine.
Take the question.
Sir, please explain me how many WH words.
Okay. Guys, today Amar Kumar Paswan is asking that how can we use how many WH words?
Yes, sir.
Guys, how many is the most important and popular WH words? Guys, the means of the how many in the Hindi is that kitna, kitne, kitni. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
And how many is used to know the exact number of any countable nouns. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Guys, for example, there are 11 members in my family. Okay?
Yes, sir.
There are 11 members in my family. So exact number is the 11. And question is that how many members are there in your family? Then will be answer 11. 11 is the answer of how many. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So guys, if you want to know the exact number of the countable noun, in that condition you can use how many words. For example, how many players in the cricket teams? 11. Is that clear? How many players there are in the kabaddi team? Answer is that 7. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
How many students there are in NVEA? There are 50 students. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
For example, how many peoples are there in the party? For example, there are 100 peoples. So guys, if you want to know exact number of any countable noun, in that condition you can use very easily how many WH words. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So guys, if you like this VR, then you can follow us 8 our social media handles. And guys, if you want to archive more English tricky video, then you can visit 8 our official website, whose official URL link is www.navia.in. And guys, you can contact us 8 our helpline number, which is 09414008310. Thank you so much guys, all the best.
All the best, sir.